Looking for the best Excel course on Coursera? Whether you're learning Excel for business, data analysis, or your next job, these are my top 3 Coursera courses based on ratings, popularity, reviews, and overall value. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. My number 3 pick is Microsoft Excel Learn with Projects. This beginner-friendly specialization teaches Excel through practical projects instead of just lectures. You'll learn formulas, pivot tables, dashboards, data visualization, and even explore how AI tools like ChatGPT can improve your workflow. It's a great choice if you learn best by doing. At number 2 is the Microsoft Excel Professional Certificate from Microsoft. If you're looking for an official Microsoft credential, this is an excellent option. You'll build skills in formulas, macros, dashboards, data analysis, forecasting, and Microsoft Copilot. It's ideal for learners who want a recognized certificate from the company behind Excel. My number 1 recommendation is Excel Skills for Business from Macquarie University. This specialization has outstanding ratings and tens of thousands of positive reviews. You'll master formulas, pivot tables, dashboards, charts, and advanced Excel features used in real workplaces. It's one of the most respected Excel programs on Coursera and is trusted by learners around the world. If you're planning to learn Excel along with other career skills like Power BI, SQL, Python, AI, or data analytics, buying courses individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Microsoft, Google, IBM, Meta, and many of the world's top universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, reducing the price from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're planning to earn multiple certificates this year, it's one of the best investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.